This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hi guys, welcome to the first lecture of this course. In this first lecture, we are going to see what is VirtualBox and how we can download and install VirtualBox into our Windows operating system. So VirtualBox is a free open source cross-platform application for creating, managing, running virtual machines. Virtual machines are computers whose hardware components are emulated by the host computer, and you can set up one or more virtual machines on a single physical machine and use them simultaneously along with the actual machine. So each virtual machine can execute its own operating system, including versions of Microsoft Windows, Linux, BSD and MS-DOS. So now let's see how you can download VirtualBox into your Windows operating system. So first you need to open your favorite web browser, and in the search bar what you need to type VirtualBox. So when you hit enter, as you can see that we have this particular link, which is virtualbox.org, Oracle VM VirtualBox. So this is the official link for downloading VirtualBox. So just click on this particular link. Now this is the page which will download VirtualBox for us. So as you can see that this tab, which is download VirtualBox 6.1. So this is the latest version of VirtualBox. So when you click on this particular tab, it will open one more page for you all. So we have this page. What we are going to next is, currently I'm using Windows host. So I'm going to download the VirtualBox for my Windows host, and if you are using OS X, so you will just click on this particular link and Linux and Solaris for this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download it for Windows. So when I click on this particular link, it will pop up a window which is saying that the file size is 103 MB and this is the setup of VirtualBox. So when you click on save file, it will start downloading your VirtualBox. So I have already downloaded it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it for you all so that I can show you how you can install this particular operating system. Okay, VirtualBox. Now we have this particular window. So when you click on next, so it will show you the place where it's gonna install. So if you want to change the place or paths, you can browse from here and you can change it. Now click on next. So these are the shortcuts that gonna be created when you click on yes. So when you click on yes, it will start installing VirtualBox into your Windows operating system or any other operating system. So this is how you can download VirtualBox and install VirtualBox into your operating system. In the next lecture, we are going to see how VirtualBox looks like and how to download and see Kali Linux into your VirtualBox. So this is all for this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this lecture.